Welcome to part 2 of this 3-part series where I share some valuable tips and tricks when using your Outlook calendar. Let's get going. Let me show you a way how to view the next 3 days, quick and easy. Click on a specific day. I'm in day view at the moment. And then hold Alt in and click 3 or press 3. And now you can see the next 3 days. I can also go back to click on the original day and I'm back in my day view. And then you can do the same with Alt 7, Alt 2, or how many days you want to view. It will depend on you. Now another nice way to view certain days when you're in day view is you click on a specific day, press Control, and then click on the days which you would like to see in your calendar. For example, these are all Wednesdays. If I know that a meeting needs to be scheduled on a Wednesday, I can use this method. You can also go back to your original day, in this case 11 August, and then press Shift, and then let's say you want to view the next week. You click on a day somewhere, view a week later, and you can see the whole week's entries. Now this is a very cool feature. You can type in here that you, for example, would like to see the date or make a booking on the first Monday of October. And it will immediately give you the date, first Monday of October. You can even go 7 weeks from today. And it will give you the date exactly 7 weeks from today. You can also go and type in Christmas and it will give you that date. So go and play around with this one. It is quite fun. Now there's a quick and easy way to go to a date, a specific date. You press Control and then you press G, Control G, and it opens this Go to Date box. And here you can add your date. Say 5 January 2026. It will take you there. And again, Control G. Maybe you want to say no. What about the first Monday in 2026? This is way into the future. And there you go. It ends up on a specific day in the future. Now to make your life easy, you can even add public holidays or religious holidays instead of having to add them manually. Go to File, Options, Calendar, and then scroll down until you get to Add Holidays. If you click on that, it gives you all the different holidays for all the different countries, even religious holidays in between, and you can click whichever holidays you would like to add to your calendar. You will see here I've added the weather to my calendar. Now if you would like to add the weather to your calendar, go to File, Options, Calendar, scroll down, and you can add the weather to your calendar. Which tips and tricks are you using to optimize Outlook calendar and to really skyrocket your productivity? Share them in the comment box below this video so that we can all learn from one another. And be on the lookout for part 3, it's coming soon. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.